let's talk about the background. If you want to change a background, you can come here and going to first thing environment. Here is a background images. You can drag and drop any background image from your asset here. If you drag and drop on a scene, it tells you, okay, it's an environment for lighting or background. This is for background. And you can see because it's in demo version, it's show you demo version. And then you can come here to settings, and we have setting about the background mode is a plain background. It means it shows you the background. You can define any texture from here, for example this, or you select it and delete. If you want to just change the background color, you can make it something like that. And in the background settings, and that's it. You can change the color. Okay. Another setting is transparency. You can make your background transparency if you want and export to your other software to change the background. You can use it. Or environment. What does it mean? Because for lighting our scene, you can see the reflection on the sphere. We use this 360 image as an environment for lighting. This mode shows you that environment system as a background for you if you want. Or you can make it to the plain background again.